This is Masechah Sanhedrin daf Gimel Bet, and it's in Perek dinei mamonot b'shlosha, the Perek which begins with the halacha, the law, that monetary cases are adjudicated with 3 judges. And the Gemarah here on daf Gimel wants to know the source for the fact that we need to have 3 judges. And it begins, Shlosha minalan, from where do we know that we need to have 3 judges? To Tana Rabbanan, because we learned in a Braita. V'nikrav ba'abayit el ha'elohim. The Braita begins by quoting a pasuk. The number 1 here indicates the Torah Shalem with a full pasuk, that when there's a court case, the ba'abayit, the person, the litigant, comes and approaches the court. Harei kan echad. So that teaches you 1 judge. If it just said Elohim once, I would presume that the court requires 1 judge. Ad ha'Elohim yavod dvar shnayim harei kan shnayim. Then the Torah immediately following uses the word Elohim again to refer to the Beit Din, and this teaches you that you need to have 2 judges. Asher yashiyun Elohim harei kan shlosha. And the third usage is to tell you 3 judges. Divrei Rabbi Yoshia. Rabbi Yoshia learns from the 3 references to the word Elohim. This is a method of Midrash, teaches us the 3 judges in the Beit Din. And if you look over here, Im lo yimatzei aganav v'nikrav ba'al habayit elo Elohim, you have a monetary case of a thief, and the ba'al habayit, the person, comes and approaches the court. Im lo shalach yadav m'lecha v'yehu al kol dvar pesha al shor al chamor al seh al salma al kol avidah asher yamar hu zeh. On any matter like this, an ha'Elohim yavod dvar shnayim, they should come to the Elohim, to the court. Asher yashiyun Elohim yishalem shnayim l'yehu, and whatever the court decides and finds guilty, you must pay. So here, the 3 times they use the word Elohim in this section tells you 3 judges. That is the opinion of Rabbi Yoshia. Rav Yochanan disagrees, and he says, Rishon tchila nemar. The first time the word Elohim is used is just to tell you that we're referring to a Beit Din. You couldn't escape using the word Elohim once. The second time, we could have perhaps avoided the word Elohim, or just had come to them, or to it, or to him, but the first one is necessary. So we don't learn anything about the number of judges from the first time it says the word Elohim. The second usage tells you that you need to have at least 1 judge, Asher yashiyun Elohim, and the third usage, Harei kan shnayim, tells you that you need to have 2. These 2 extra usages of the word Elohim are to tell you something out of context somewhat, the amount of judges necessary. So therefore the Torah is revealing to us through this code of Elohims that we need to have at least 2 judges. The ain beit in shakel, but since you can't have an even amount of judges, mosifin aleihem od echad, so therefore we, the Chachamim, require a 3rd judge in order to tip the scale, because the Torah itself says we follow the majority. So since we need to have at least 2 based on the words Elohim, and we need to have a majority, we add a 3rd, Harei kan shlosha, and therefore we have 3 judges in total, both according to Rabbi Yoshia and according to Rabbi Yochanan. Rabbi Yoshia based on the 3 usages of the word Elohim, and Rabbi Yonatan from the 2 usages plus the fact that it can't be an even court.